Hi everyone, welcome back to this month's plan with me. I will be planning out my shop, blog, and YouTube goals this month, and I hope you enjoy it. For this month's theme, I decided to go with something a little bit lush just because we are rolling into autumn here and it's just starting to be pretty gloomy, so I thought I would change it up in my spread so it'll feel a little bit less gloomy. This month has been a little bit different, and my goals are a bit more stagnant than last month because we added a new family member to our family. So everything's been a little bit crazy and busy, so I haven't had enough time to do a lot of things, but I am catching up and I hope to ramp it up again soon. So right now, I'll just go ahead and put down all the categories I want to work on, and that's YouTube, my blog, my shop, and some goals that I want to set out for this month. I've experimented a few different styles of planning for goal settings and just writing down my ideas. And for some reason, this bullet journal freestyle type of planning works really well for me. I don't use too many stickers, and sometimes I feel like wanting to make a really nice spread inhibits me to write down all my ideas, and it's a real blocker for me. So, this style of bullet journal freestyling with minimal stickers really helped me um, goal plan. This month's YouTube to-do list is pretty short, and that is pretty much me putting out the videos that I've been holding off on for a while. And that's a journal with me and a monthly goal plan with me. And for my blog, I have a shorter to-do list because I haven't been able to work on it too much. And the main one is to find more collaboration opportunities for my blog. So if you're a planner shop or anybody in this community, please reach out. I would love to collaborate with you. As for my shop, I haven't been making any new releases for a while, but there's been a backlog of all these maintenance things I want to work with, so that's on my to-do list. And as for goals, for my YouTube, I hope to get up to 400 subscribers this month, but looking at the content I've been putting out, I haven't been putting out too many, so I have a feeling it would be slower this month. And for my blog, I want to increase traffic by 20%. And for my shop, I want to increase my revenue by also 20%. And I've been seeing a very steady growth, and that is great. And especially because I write it down in my goals each month, it's very encouraging to see that I've reached those goals or come close to what I've wanted. So I really encourage writing some sort of goals for each month. If you're interested in any of the functional stickers I'm using, they are available in my shop and I will link that in the description for you. And with all my bullet journal spreads, I love using Pinterest as my sticker book. The best way to use Pinterest with my iPad is to open it in Safari, so then you can actually drag and drop all the images without having to save them separately. That is the best way to use Pinterest in my opinion. So thanks for joining me this month with my monthly plan with me. I hope you enjoyed me talking about my business, and I will see you next time. Bye!